The Congress party held a public meeting regarding MP elections at the Dorbar Hall, Umdihar, Rebhoi district yesterday. Congress candidate Vincent Pala, MLA Umsning Dr. Celestine Lingdo, MLA from Mauhati constituency Charles Marngar and other party leaders were present in the event. Speaking to the media, Pala said that the Congress will have a stronger force and the people who joined other parties are for personal gain and personal interest and not for the benefit of the public.
I think at the grassroots level, people knows what is their interest and why they joined. So I've seen, for example, like in Maukarwat, the MDC has joined, but when we went yesterday, again we regrouped. Rather, we have a stronger forces. And you have seen in Nongpo, they have joined, but we are regrouped. You'll see within a week we'll have a meeting in Nongpo, we'll have a better and stronger forces. So definitely when they first joined, we do have a setback, but when we regroup, when we mobilize, I think there's no impact on the ground. So the people knows that people who join is for the personal gain, personal interest and personal benefits, not for the benefit of the general public.